What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts, and in today's video I just wanted to flip the camera on with you guys and share with you one of the most valuable business lessons that a customer shared with me today. I'm going to share with you guys why this customer decided to hire me, but more importantly, I'm going to share with you guys why I've used this tool and how this simple lesson will help you get more customers, help you land more business, and more importantly, allow you to grow and make more money within your service-based business. People ask me all the time, Peter, how did you start your lawn and landscaping business? It came down to this one thing. How are you growing, selling a lot of tree work? And it all came down to what this customer revealed to me today. So if you are trying to find new business, just remember this. The first thing is that all businesses are not created equally. What I want to share with you guys is this story. So I did a tree job today, $1,750 tree job that I got yesterday by knocking on doors in the community. So I went up to this guy's house yesterday. I noticed that there's trees that came down from this recent snowstorm. There was trees all in his property. I saw him in his back door. So guess what? I got on my truck, I parked the truck, I walked into his driveway, and I knocked on the door. He came out and I introduced myself. With a smile, I greeted him. I said, hey, I would love to help you. I would love to be a resource for you. I'm sorry that I approached your property, but do you need me? I'd love to help take care of this tree work for you. And he said, Peter, let's do the job. I closed the job yesterday, and today our crew went there and did this $1,750 tree job that I closed on site. And I asked him, you probably had other people here, didn't you? He said, yeah, I had 3 other people do the same exact thing as you. 3 other companies walked up to me, knocked on my door, and did exactly what you did. But the truth is, none of them got as far as you did. And I asked him, I said, why did you go with me? I simply looked him in the eyes and said, why did you decide to go with me? He said one thing. It was your personality. It was your confidence. It was your smile. It was the way that you held yourself. And I just thought to myself, this is the true factor of why people do business with people. People want to just pay and do business with other great people. People want to do business with people that relate. And the truth is, these other 3 guys could have went up and done the same work as us. They could have been a little bit more cheaper. They could have been more expensive. It's all just a number at the end of the day. But the truth is, the reason that I landed this job is not because I went up there and was like, hey, I need to do this. I want to help you. I just went up there calm, simple, greetable, personable, and I said, hey, you have a great property. Is there anything that I can do to help you here? And I built an instant relationship with this. Now check this out. Now this simple relationship, this simple connection, this simple just me getting out of my comfort zone, going up, knocking on this door has allowed me to land another $3,000 worth of work in the same community today, all because this guy referred me to the neighbors down the street that were all impacted by this bad weather. So the truth is, guys, get out of your comfort zone. Understand that business is based on relationships, on handshakes, how you carry yourself, how you're confident, and more importantly, that everyone can do the same amount of work. Everyone can do the same amount of service. But what are you doing within your business? Whether it's your infrastructure, whether it's your guys, whether it's your equipment, whether it's how personable you are, how professional you are. It's the little things, the boring things, the things that suck that you must do to elevate and expand yourself, to separate yourself from the other competition out there. Let the other competition ruin them chances. But if you want to build, grow, get new customers, let one thing grow your business. Word of mouth, doing great work, being personal, being confident. Great people want to work with great people. You will land business. You will change your life. You will make more money than you ever. And I'm starting to realize this, that it's not about the service that you offer. It's not about anybody can go paint that. It's not really about the quality of your work. It's a small factor, but people just want to do business with people they can connect with, people they can relate with, and people that they can go actually build some trust with. So I don't know how your sales approach is. I don't know if you're struggling to get customers, but think about this next time you meet with someone. Think about the next time you're trying to close a deal. Think about, are you actually just going out there and really just trying to help people? Or are you just trying to make the most amount of money? There's just some things that I just play in my head. If you really care, if you really actually want to value the customer, if you're really about interesting or trying to actually be there for the customer, to build a long-term relationship, or you're just there to go out there and make a quick dollar, think about this stuff if you're trying to grow your personal lawn care, landscaping, painting, service-based business. All business can provide the same thing. It is all a commodity, but it depends who you are, who the salesman is, and how you carry yourself, and more importantly, people want to do business with great people. So that's my quick little tip there if you're trying to grow, scale. I just want to document my journey growing my lawn and landscaping business, as well as I'm jumping into the tree business as well, partnering with this business, growing this business, and just trying to scale this business as well. I'm at 22 as a college dropout, as an entrepreneur, someone who just loves business. I'm just figuring this out on my own, and it's all coming together. It's going to be an amazing year. I hope you guys crush it this year, and I'll see you in the next video. Comment below if you need any help, tips, or comments about business. Let's do this journey together. Love y'all. Peace out.